Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow Messenger to access your files with the latest update. If you want to grant Messenger permission to access your files and media on your device, follow these simple steps. To begin, open the Settings app on your device. This is where you can manage various settings for your apps. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. The name may vary based on your device, but look for the option that allows you to manage your apps. Find and select Messenger from the list of apps displayed on your screen. This will take you to the specific settings for the Messenger app on your device. Tap on Permissions within the Messenger app settings. This is where you can control what permissions the app has. Look for the option labeled Files and Media or Storage. Toggle on the switch next to it to allow Messenger to access your files. This step is crucial for the app to interact with your media files. Lastly, select Allow Access to Media. This final confirmation grants Messenger the necessary permissions to access and interact with your media content. By following these steps, you can ensure that Messenger has the access it needs to your files and media. This can enhance your user experience and allow you to seamlessly share and interact with content on the platform. Thank you for following our tutorial. We hope these instructions have helped you successfully enable Messenger to access your files. Stay connected with your friends and enjoy sharing media effortlessly using Messenger.